Hi, I'm Austin, founder and CEO of Blaids Hearing. Blaids is the world's top-rated manufacturer of fully programmable hearing aids sold online. For the past 12 years, Blaids products have been supplied to premier hospitals, hearing centers, and governments in over 100 countries. Recently, Blaids has developed a revolutionary remote fitting technology, allowing our specialists to help you make adjustments from the comfort of your own home, giving you the same experience as an expensive hearing center for a much lower price. Blaids is the only online provider of hearing aids in the United States that develops our own digital signal processing algorithm and chip and manufactures in-house. Since we own all our own IP, we don't have to buy our key components from expensive middlemen. This allows us to sell the same high-quality hearing aid direct to you at unbeatable factory prices. It also allows us to guarantee you receive a quality product backed by our industry-leading warranty. Try our best-selling rechargeable BlaidsX Neuro receiver and canal hearing aid for crystal clear sound quality, or BlaidsX Micro completely in canal hearing aid if you're looking for something a little more discreet. If you're looking for something a little more customized, you can try our Invisihear Symphony product line. Just send us your ear impressions or order our impression kit, and we will precision manufacture a custom hearing aid to your unique ear canal dimensions. The OTC hearing aid market consists of expensive, big brands with high overhead and little to no programmability, and cheap knockoffs from overseas with no customer support, putting you at risk of further damaging your hearing. I started Blaids to finally transform the hearing aid industry by providing professional grade hearing aids at factory prices and personally stand behind each product sold. Buy direct from our factory online and join our movement today.